Hey, it's your boy Chef Jason, the original bubbling star of Trinidad and Tobago, and your Chief Brand Worldwide Ambassador. So guess what? Game-changing news. Chief Brand Products now has doubles mix on the menu. Yes, the Bara mix to make doubles, plain and simple. Now you can do this at home. Let me show you how it's done. So this is the texture that you want. Somewhat of a sticky, slight firm texture. What you need to do now is cover it with cling wrap for 30 minutes and allow the yeast action to activate. So let's do that. So it's time to make our doubles bara. Let's get started. A little bit of oil. I need to rub some oil on my hand. This prevents the dough from sticking to my hands. It tends to be a little sticky. You want to put some on the counter also. And I want to take this plastic wrap off. As you can see, it's beautifully risen. And I want to take maybe like about a teaspoon worth of the dough. You want to put it down on the counter. As you can see, it's a very sticky dough. A little more oil inside of it. And what you want to do is basically put it on the counter and pull it gently. You know what bara dough looks like already. That size is typically no particular shape, but as long as you get it in this sort of scheme, you're pretty good. You just put it in like that. Now, of course, it's going to puff up a little bit because we're making it homemade and it does have that rising agent in it. Usually when you buy doubles by the vendor, there's a lot of bara that is packed on top of each other in that little vendor's box. So that's why it's flat. But homemade, you're going to get it nice, fresh, crisp, and a little bit of fluffiness. You see, after I made these homemade doubles, you know, you have to try it. There you go.